Trying something different. We are so used to eating at comfortable restaurants, we never really venture out of our comfort zone. Today, it's going to be a little different. So the menu is kind of scaring me right off the bat. Anytime you see fire, you know your mouth is in for some delightful burning. Well, thank you.
No problem, thank you.
Okay, so we got, what is this bread called?
Naan bread?
Naan bread. Got the garlic naan bread, which I guess is just a tortilla. Oh, it's nice and soft
It's
too.
not really a tortilla, though.
I got chicken curry medium because
You got chicken
mine.
madras. Chicken madras.
Madras. Chicken madras. Rice because rice is life. Steph got the super spicy. And rice. She can't have that because that is gluten. The rice is so thick and nice. Let's put some chicken on there. Some curry.
It's really hot, too, by the way, be careful.
It looks like it. We're definitely going out of our comfort zone with this. This is a way different type of restaurant than we would normally eat at. Very, very spicy. And I got the mild. She's got the hot. It is nice to step out of your comfort zone sometimes because I think I'm a big fan of Indian food now. I know I'm going basic, but man, I'm a fan. This could be my new favorite. Oh, look at that. And we got rice too. The rice is spectacular. Okay, the damage is done. She ate all hers. Well, not really. She put it in a bag to go. It is just too spicy for me. In a good way though. My mouth is still burning. I am definitely going to eat some more Indian food. The restaurant is called Divine Indian Cuisine, and if you're coming down 192, it's in the gift shop areas. As a matter of fact, directly across the street is the lobster, you know, the all-you-can-eat lobster place, and right over there is the CC's Pizza with the Putt-Putt Golf Course. So it's like just in those little strip mall areas. Yeah, we will definitely be back. It was really good. You want in the car, don't you? We're walking over. Gotta do the selfie with the lobster car. Would you look at that thing? Boston Lobster Fest. Okay, Steph, you go. Gotta get it away from this. There you go. You are not gonna believe this, little gecko. You're not gonna believe it. We just ate Indian food. You're out here eating bugs. And we ate Indian food. There are geckos out tonight. Look at that guy. We got some way up high. There's some up there. Let's see these guys. There's a gecko, a little bit blurry. Come on, focus you. It's not gonna focus, he's too high up on the roof. This guy here though, oh. Yeah, they're out. They would kill for some Indian food. They're out here eating bugs. Who wants to eat bugs? Well, the day has started. Last night had some incredible Indian food, Indian cuisine. And I am not using the adapter today, or at least at the moment, but I will be using the adapter later on in the day. Just at the moment, a lot of the Chatamos are working, and this EV Go charging station not only has 1, 2, 3, 4 Chatamos, though those 2 are down over there. This one's working, and the one behind me is working. So at least out of 1, 2, 3, 4 Chatamos, at least 2 of them, 2 broke, 2 working. No need for the adapter yet, but I know it's coming. I have noticed a lot of new chargers going in, especially in the downtown Orlando area. The ones here, specifically these EVGOs, they need to update them and put some new stations in, or charging contraptions. With or without Chatamo now. I don't care if it has Chatamo or not because the adapter is working so good. But they do definitely need to be upgraded. The ones in downtown Orlando are doing amazing. It does seem that they are starting to slowly populate everywhere. One thing I wish they would do is start building like gas station type places where we can sit, watch TV, have a soda, have a sandwich while we're charging, and have canopies, because it just now started raining. Doesn't look like it. It's blue skies. It's what we call liquid sunshine here in Florida. But it'd be nice to be able to pull in under a canopy, possibly a solar canopy, and have the chargers underneath, and you just plug and play, go and eat and drink and come back out to your car and it's good to go. That would be great. None of those exist yet here, but as long as they keep slapping charging stations in or updating existing stations, I'm fine. Electrify America in Claremont, Florida is actually pulling out brand new pumps they just installed. Those 350 kilowatt machines they set up over there. It's maybe 6 months. They're already tearing them out and installing new ones. I know it's a very busy place to charge. It's never fun charging there. I haven't been able to charge there because there has been no Chatamos. It's only CCS. But because of the adapter, my luck has changed and I can charge there. But right when I get the adapter and go to charge there, all the machines are down because they're tearing them out of the ground and putting new ones in already. So I've only used the new chargers that they're tearing out, I think twice. Once with Patrick when we were testing the adapter. But other than that, I was all excited about using them, and now we have to wait for the new ones to go in. So like I said, as long as they keep installing these new pumps, these new charging stations, life is good. Except for Wildwood, Florida. It'll never be good. The Villages is terrible. But everywhere else, they're stepping it up. Yeah, the charging stations around our local area are definitely starting to pick up a little bit. Charging adapters. I should have made sure that was steady on the hood. But the charging adapters are still going to be needed. Yeah, especially, it doesn't matter if you drive a Chevy Bolt like my girlfriend has over there. You could use something like this. A Nissan Leaf could use this too for the Tesla. This one here is by Electron. It works for the 1772 Tesla destination chargers. But before I end today's quick little video, I wanted to let you guys know something about Electway's CCS to Chatamo adapter that they have been putting out there lately. Supposedly the firmware that is within this adapter now for the Nissan Leaf, the software is already in the unit. When you plug it into your car, there is software in here that will let this thing reverse charge, which is pretty nuts. So let's say my girlfriend's Bolt is dead. She's dead on the side of the road. I can plug this into my car. They have another thing that hooks up to the CCS end of this after it's already plugged in. Sits over on the ground. You can plug your cables into, like she could plug her 1772 into it and charge her car from my battery, or we could plug my RV and home right into my car and operate the home. Like when a storm comes and a hurricane or something like that knocks out all the electricity, I don't need to fire up a generator. I just plug the house right into the RV using the adapter that we already have, which is so nice because I've seen those Japanese units and they're like $3,000 or more, for that Nissan puts out. Knowing that we can do all that same stuff right from our adapter, that is sweet. But also, they changed their name. So Electway is no longer Electway. I want to get that out there. I'm going to start putting it in if anybody wants one of these adapters. They actually have a new link to a new website that they're doing. And my battery is dead, or my phone is hot. This sucks. Bad. Well, EV Voyage is the normal website where you get these adapters. Now it is known as Sixpence like money, you know, like the pence, 6 pence. It's like 6 pence EV is the new website and the new company name. So they're trying to upgrade everything within the corporation and stuff, and I think it's a good call because I don't know, I like Electway. I like that name, but they go by a couple different names now. They're just under one umbrella called 6 pence EV. And if you want one of these, you can go there, and like I said, I'll have a link in the description below. But what an amazing product. I was just happy that I could charge my car, my Nissan Leaf, using a CCS to Chatham adapter. But now I can run my whole house and everything reverse, you know, taking juice out of the battery, not only putting juice in, but taking it out and using it for other things. That's a game changer, except for somebody, especially, that's the word, especially for someone like me that lives in an RV. I get too excited, that lives in an RV in a nomadic life, and somebody that has multiple EVs within the family. So it's like, yeah, I can't thank this company enough for sending me this product. It's really changed my life. Penny Pang, Patrick, everybody over there, thank you guys so much. And I can't wait to test out the RV stuff. We're in the middle of hurricane season now. We've already lost electricity a couple times. It's going to be really nice the next time it happens, because actually our generator is in storage right now. Last time the electricity went out about a week ago for a few hours. Our generator's like 50 or 60 miles up the road. It would have been so nice to be able to just plug in my car into the RV and operate everything as normal. 62 kilowatts worth of electricity just pumping into the motorhome. I thank you guys for your constant work in making this thing better. Anyway, until the next time, guys, I thank you for tuning in. I'm going to go RV shopping. Check out the next video, because we're going to be selling Cousin Eddie and getting a little pop-up trailer and traveling around, a trailer that we can live in and also pull with the Nissan Leaf. And we're going to be doing that for like the next 2 years, living in a small, tiny RV camper being pulled by the Nissan Leaf. That's kind of the goal for this year. Before New Year's gets here, we want to sell our big RV, downsize into a pop-up trailer, and go more places, all being used by pulling this car, or by using this car as a pull vehicle. So check out the next video. We're on our way to the dealerships right now. See you there. Peace out, everybody.